So, you've got your soil test results back from your lawn, garden, or landscape. What do the numbers mean, and what do I need to look for? A basic soil test will provide information in several categories. These will be organic matter, pH, cation exchange capacity, and phosphorus and potassium levels. Let's start with organic matter. Soil organic matter provides insight into how productive a soil will be. The higher the organic matter content of the soil, the more productive the soil. Organic matter helps soils retain water for plants and helps create soil structure, which allows roots to move more easily through the soil. Most of the dark soils in Illinois typically have between 2 and 4% organic matter. Lighter soils usually have 2 to less than 1%. Low organic matter soils may benefit from the addition of organic matter, such as finished compost. pH shows how acidic or alkaline a soil is. The pH scale runs from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral, above 7 being alkaline, and below 7 being acidic. Most plants prefer a soil pH in the range of 6.3 to 7. Having soil with a high or low pH may limit the ability of plants to take in some nutrients, or it may allow the plants to take in too much. If soil pH needs changed, it's usually because the soil is too acidic. Application of limestone will raise soil pH, while sulfur will decrease pH. Cation exchange capacity, or CEC, indicates how well the soil can hold plant nutrients. The amount of organic matter, which has very high CEC, and the amount and type of clay minerals, which also has a high CEC, affects the overall CEC value in a soil. Soil with a CEC value of 15 to 20 will be in good shape to hold nutrients. Soils with a CEC of 6 or lower will need to be managed closely for nutrient deficiencies such as potassium. Phosphorus is one of 3 nutrients needed in large amounts by plants. The other 2 are nitrogen and potassium. These nutrients are called macronutrients. Phosphorus is vital for energy transfer within a plant and flower and fruit formation. A soil phosphorus level, shown typically with the symbol of P1, of 20 to 40 pounds per acre or 10 to 20 parts per million is sufficient for gardens and landscapes. Too much phosphorus in the soil may allow some to dissolve and may eventually move into ponds and streams, causing excessive plant growth there. Potassium is important for moving water and nutrients around in plants and with enzyme activity. It also plays a role in the growth of stalks and stems for support of the plant. A potassium level of 250 pounds per acre or 125 parts per million or higher shows no additional potassium is needed. Nitrogen is often not included in a basic soil test because it can be very mobile within the soil, with values changing constantly. Most soil labs will provide recommendations on what to apply and how much based on soil test results. The recommendations will be based on university research and scientifically based outcomes. Taking soil tests every 3 to 6 years will let you examine longer-term trends. Are organic matter levels decreasing? How quickly does pH change and in what direction? Examining these trends will help determine how often to soil sample and whether current management is working.